up to Bendethera.
Do you want me to tell you? Okay, your front wheel's getting close now. Keep coming. Your front wheel's about to hit it right now. Going up.
I'll build up that section into the rock then.
Yeah.
Drop off.
You're going to drop off. You're going down. Going down.
Give it up to my right, you drop off.
What do you mean right?
Like, am I going to belly out?
Maybe. You actually... Your diff's gone past it. Right, try the next one. Slowly, slowly, slowly.
Winch? Why would you use a winch?
Oh my gosh, you should see the angle on this thing.
Don't freak me out.
Well,
I'm okay, hon.
Stop! Slow! Slow! Winch cable set up. I'm going to try and get himself over. Keep an eye on that tree, make sure it's not going to fall over because everything seems to fall over around here. Okay, he's partly there. That's worked in.